This is a video on intensifiers, qualifiers, and omnibus words. Intensifiers and qualifiers are words that make something seem bigger than it is. Qualifiers tend to be things that limit back on a word. So intensifiers would be very, absolutely. Qualifiers would be like kind of, probably, practically, right, that make you feel a little less sure of the word. We want to get rid of those from our writing as much as we possibly can. We would really appreciate it if you came to speak at Monmouth College. We should just say, we would appreciate it if you came to speak at Monmouth College. I will definitely get back to you as soon as possible. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So we want to strike out these words like really, definitely, or basically. Delete them unless they're crucial to the meaning. So she was actually a robot. In this case, she was actually a robot. In general, when people say those kinds of things, they're not accurate. So I was literally starving to death. I was not literally starving to death. I was pretty hungry. So we want to be careful in our writing how we use those kinds of intensifiers and qualifiers. With regard to vague and omnibus words, these are words that can have lots and lots of different meanings, and sometimes we can't even tell from the context what those meanings are supposed to be. So I've given a few examples here: factor, aspect, situation, thing. I don't even know what thing is per se. So we want to be careful on not using these vague and omnibus words when there are better words we can use in the situation. Replace them with specifics. She will speak about the experiences she has had and how they have affected her. We should have in here something more specific about what her experience is. Was she on a space shuttle that went to the moon? Or did she have a cat and it really made her feel good? We want to be sure to be more specific about those experiences. Photography took on new aspects during the Civil War. What kinds of aspects are those? What does that mean? We would love it if you would give a presentation on business concepts to our group. There are about 742 million business concepts. What business concept specifically is this person going to talk to our group about? We want to be sure to avoid things that are cliché or things that are vague. So I used here two examples in the heading: what it takes, what it means to be. We would appreciate it if you would discuss what it takes to become a world-class athlete. This is actually a pretty vague statement, what it takes to become a world-class athlete. What parts of that preparation are we talking about? At the college, we might say things like, we focus on what it means to be a first-generation college student. In our classrooms, going back home and interacting with family, how to study. Are there socioeconomic issues that we need to think about? What does it mean to say what it means to be? We want to be more clear than that. For example, consider the statement, it was a nice day. What does it mean to be a nice day? So I find a nice day to be about 75 degrees, the sun is shining, and I'm able to go out on the boat with my family. But for Judy Peterson, who is my best friend, a nice day is gloomy, cloudy, and a little drizzly. What does it mean to be a nice day? Well, that can vary person by person. So we want to be more clear. If I say it's a nice day, Judy's going to say it's not a great day. If she says it's a nice day, I'm going to think it's the kind of day I should stay home in my pajamas. So think carefully about the words that you use and try to be as specific as possible. I'll see you again soon.